Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you get into another video. Let's do the cinematic video tutorial, and here I am using the Capcut. So guys, the first step you can do is, of course, you can open the Capcut from your device here, and still I am using the Android phone to do my work here, and I will click the new project and I will choose the video that I will start the project. I will use this video, but as you can see there are the hand that is not really give the aesthetic view, so I will crop this video first. And I will apply it and add this video into the project. And let's get started. By this video, I would like to create the video slightly cinematic, and I would love to create the ambience or the atmosphere that this is in nature, and also it is about the mountain and the atmosphere and the situations there. It's like a cold weather, so there will be several options that I will apply to edit this video. So the first step I will do is remove the watermark of this Capcut here, but if you would like to still embed this Capcut watermark, it is really pretty okay, guys. And after that, I will click this video, then I will adjust the speed. I will change it into to become 0.6. The first step I would do is click this clip. After that, click the speed and normal, and move the scale to become 0.6, and let's see the result. I won't make this video too fast or too slow. Then I will apply it, and after that I will do the adjustment for the color grading. I will stop this video for a while, and I will also adjust the color here. There you go. And I will go to the contrast, and I will set it in the 20 scale here. And after that I will choose the saturation. Since I would like to make it into the ambience of cold place, then I will move the scale into the -15. And after that I will choose the lightness in the HSL, and particularly in the blue hint. I will adjust the lightness here to become -100. As you can see here, the difference, if I change the scale to become 100, the mountain here slightly to become fading the color, but if I choose the -100, the image or the object of this mountain still appeared there. Then I will apply it, and I will choose the shadows, and I will adjust it to become 25. It is, as you can see, if I choose the shadows to the left or move the scale to the left, the picture slightly more darker, and to the right, the picture of this video can be more brighter. And after that, I will go to the temperature. This is the game changer. Since I would like to create the cold and serenity situation, then I will choose the temperature to become -20. As you can see, the picture slightly go to in the blue hint, and the vignette here, as you can see, if I move it to the left, there will be white shadow in the every corner, but I will choose the right to become 20 to create the shadow black in each corner. Then I will apply it, and let's see the result. Have you ever tried to do the hiking, guys? And if you would like to create the video, you can start it from the simple video about the trip that you have, and you can do the editing through this Capcut. And I believe that you can master and explore more to create your own video. That's all, guys. I hope this video finds you helpful, and if you have any requests or is there any feedback for this video, please don't forget to put it on a comment down below. And also don't forget to give the video a like, and also subscribe this channel to know more and watch more or another tutorial video. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye, guys.